In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to bank account. We'll walk through linking your bank and moving your balance safely with clear tips so everything goes smoothly the first time. Start by opening PayPal in your browser and heading to your account summary page. This is your main dashboard where you can see your available balance and recent activity. Make sure you're on the official PayPal site and that your balance is available, not pending, since pending funds can't be moved yet. From the summary page, look for the option labeled Add Card or Bank. It usually sits near your wallet or money section. Click that, and when you're given a choice, select the option for a bank rather than a card. Cards are for payments and withdrawals, but to move money into a bank account, you'll want to link the bank itself. Next, choose Link a Bank Account. PayPal will guide you through entering your bank details. Depending on your region, you might be asked for a routing number, an account number, or you may be offered a secure instant login to your bank. Be sure the name on the bank account matches the name on your PayPal account to avoid verification issues. In some cases, PayPal may send small test deposits or ask you to confirm the account in another way. Just follow the on-screen prompts until your bank shows as linked and ready. Once your bank is linked, return to your account summary and select Transfer Funds. On the transfer screen, choose your newly linked bank as the destination, enter the amount you want to move, and review any fees and timing. PayPal typically offers two speeds: a standard transfer that's usually free and lands in 1 to 3 business days, and an instant transfer that arrives in minutes for a small fee. Pick the option that best fits your needs, double-check the details, and confirm the transfer. A few quick tips to finish. If you don't see your bank listed when transferring, make sure it's fully verified in your wallet. Transfers made late in the day, on weekends, or on holidays may process on the next business day. If your PayPal balance is in a different currency than your bank, PayPal may convert it and apply a conversion spread. Check the preview before confirming. After you submit, you'll get a confirmation and you can track progress on your activity page. That's it. Your money is on its way to your bank account.